The multi-user desktop allows hosting several secure sessions in the same Windows session. It provides advanced fast user switching features for workstations used simultaneously by a large number of users. A group session has been created for this tutorial. You must install it from the Enterprise Access Management installation wizard. Logged on as system administrator, when installing the EAM client, in the installation type window, select Custom. Click on Next. The Authentication Manager and integration with Windows features must not be selected for installation. Now click on Next and follow the rest of the wizard instructions. Once you have completed installation, restart the workstation or close your session if you're on a Windows 7 2008 or more recent version of a Windows workstation. I'll click on Finish. Logged into my group session, the multi-user desktop window appears. I can now switch users in a matter of seconds without having to close and open my session. With Barbara, I can log on using a password. As you can see, on the top right of my screen, a multi-user desktop message appears, confirming that Barbara Fisher is connected to the session. Press Ctrl K to lock the session. Now I'll try logging on with another user account. Using the QR entry application on my phone, I'll log on as Tom. On the top right of my screen is indicated that the user session currently active is Tom Cage. If I lock Tom Cage's session, I see that my both users are audited by the solution. You are now able to install the multi-user desktop on a Windows workstation.